Hello, and welcome back to another tutorial on Zoom. In today's video, we will talk about chat and background filters available in Zoom. Did you know that your chat has options in Zoom that can help you in many different ways and situations? Firstly, to access these settings, simply click the gear icon found on the homepage of Zoom and click Chat. On the top, you can see tick boxes which allows you to show audio messages, show code snippet buttons, include link preview, and lastly, change the My Status two-way when inactive for a certain amount of time. With snippet buttons, it allows you to send snippets of codes. You then are able to change the title of the snippet, which is optional, change the programming language with a drop-down menu here, wrap the snippet, and click View More Lines below the message to show the full snippet. You're also able to change your theme for the left sidebar and manage blocked users here. There are also other features available for unread messages. You're able to keep all unread messages on top, show unread messages with a badge for channels, and also move messages with new replies to the bottom of the chat. You're also able to view unread messages in different orders here, either from the first unread message or the latest. Then, there are also features for notifications. You can have notifications for all messages, private messages, and mentions only or nothing. And you're also able to have exceptions for these notifications by doing it here. You then are able to remove exceptions by clicking Reset. You're also able to make exceptions to some contexts when nothing is chosen. Zoom has a special feature which allows you to receive notifications for specific keywords. You can do it by clicking here and writing in the different keywords you want. The last few features are notifying you about new replies on messages you are following, Not Disturb, which means it will mute all messages and chats for a specific duration that you set, play a sound when receiving notification, mute notification chat while in a meeting or internal call, show notification banner on screen until dismissed, and lastly, show message preview. Below the chat section lies the background and filter section. This is a feature that allows users to display an image or video as their background in Zoom meetings. It's similar to bokeh technology in smartphones where the app uses software to separate the subject and the background. This means the image you choose as the background will basically act as an overlay to the separate background. In the bottom here, you can see two tick boxes. The option I have a green screen can be enabled in the presence of a green screen to increase the quality of the virtual background. This feature won't function properly if the background is not monochromatic. The other tick box simply just mirrors your video. Note that there are system requirements for virtual backgrounds in order for it to work properly. To turn on or change virtual background, simply click the images or video you want to use as the virtual background. Another feature available in the background and filter section is video filters. You can see this by clicking the video filters here. This is basically Snapchat filters. This puts a filter or image overlay on top of your face or on the screen, depending on which filter. The filters that apply to the subject's face will use subject tracking so that the filter will move alongside the subject. As of the latest Zoom version, you are given 59 presets. On the bottom right corner of the background and filter section, there is a feature called Studio Effects, which is still in beta. It is a feature of a more advanced facial feature. When clicked, this sidebar will appear. This allows users to apply eyebrows, mustache, and beard, and also lip color filters, and lastly, apply different types of mustache and beard filters. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned a new feature from this tutorial, and stay tuned for our next tutorial about Zoom. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notif bell. See you next time.